Welcome to Mr. B's Education. My name is Miss Claire. I'm one of the other teachers here at Mr. B's. In this video, I wanted to introduce you to some math vocabulary. When we're working on a problem, we need to be able to understand the vocabulary being used. If we're able to do that, then we'll have a better understanding of the problem. Knowing and using the correct math vocabulary also lets people know that you have a thorough understanding of the work you just did, and you are able to explain your solution intelligently to others. Are you ready to get started? Great, let's go. In these first few weeks, we're going to be reviewing some second grade skills. This is to ensure that we have a solid foundation before we start going into new third grade concepts. Two major topics that we are reviewing will be addition and subtraction. Let's start with the vocabulary used in addition. This isn't about the keywords to look for addition in word problems. We're just starting with breaking down the vocabulary in an addition equation. For addition, the vocabulary words that we're discussing today are addend and sum. The two numbers being added together are called addends. When those two numbers are added together, the result is called a sum. Let's look at an example, shall we? In the addition sentence 3 plus 7 equals 10, the numbers 3 and 7 are addends. The result of adding those numbers is called a sum. 10 is the sum in this example. In subtraction, things are different. Each of the numbers being subtracted has a different name. In the equation 5 minus 3 equals 2, the bigger number, 5 in this example, is called a minuend. The smaller number that you're taking away from the bigger number is called a subtrahend. 3 is the subtrahend in this equation. The answer of a subtraction equation is called the difference. 2 is the difference when you subtract 3 from 5. Now, in reality, we don't use the terms minuend and subtrahend very often, but it is always good to familiarize yourself with these terms so you won't be lost in case you see it in a word problem. Now let's review. In this addition equation of 4 plus 2 equals 6, can you tell me which numbers are the addends and which number is the sum? That's right. 4 and 2 are the addends and 6 is the sum. Great job. I can hear all of you wonderful scholars out there answering correctly. Wonderful. Let's review our subtraction vocabulary. In the subtraction equation 6 minus 5 equals 1, can you tell me which number is the minuend, which number is the subtrahend, and which number is the difference? That's right. 6 is the bigger number, the minuend. 5 is the smaller number being taken from the bigger number, the subtrahend. And 1 is the answer, or if we're using our vocabulary, 1 is the difference. Great job, class 301. That concludes our vocabulary for the day. You can find our vocabulary cards in Google Classroom for a reference later. You can also replay this video as many times as you need. I'm here to help all of my third graders anytime they have a problem. This is Miss Claire of Mr. B's Education. Bye-bye for now.